In this video, I'm going to show you how to add handwritten text stickers in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Import the video you want to add stickers to by tapping the import button and selecting your file. Once your video is imported, add it to the track. Now, tap on the stickers tab. This will open up a variety of sticker categories for you to choose from. Scroll down until you find the handwriting category. This section is filled with unique handwritten stickers. Tap on it to preview it on your video. Once you've found a handwritten text sticker that fits your video, tap on it and add it to the track. You can adjust its position by dragging it around the previous screen. You can resize the sticker by dragging its corner. Now, adjust its duration by dragging the edges of the sticker layer in the timeline. To make your sticker stand out even more, consider adding animation. Tap on the Animation tab and choose an effect from In, Out, or Loop categories. Adjust the speed and duration to match the flow of your video. Once you're done, preview the video to see the result. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap the Export button to save your project. And that's it! You've successfully added handwritten text sticker to your video in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!